Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the addition reactions in the aldehydes and the ketones. That is with the hydrogen cyanide we have discussed, and sodium bisulfate with the sodium addition of the sodium bisulfate to the aldehydes we have discussed, and the addition of the Grignard reagents to the aldehydes and the ketones we have discussed in the previous class. In this class, we are going to be discussing about in the addition reactions only, that is the addition of alcohols, that is with alcohols. First we are going to be discussing about that is fourth one, that is with alcohols. Means aldehydes reacts, that is aldehydes is going to be reacts with the alcohols in the presence of a dry HCl gas. In the presence of dry HCl gas, it is going to be gives the acetal. It is going to be gives the acetal. First, what happens? This aldehyde is going to be reacts with the one molecule of alcohol. That is one molecule of monohydric alcohol. That is one molecule of monohydric alcohol. In the presence of dry HCl gas, it is going to be gives the amiacetal. This is unstable. The amiacetal is unstable. Then it is going to be again it reacts with the another monohydric molecule. That is a monohydric alcohol. That is a alcohol molecule. It is going to be formed. That is acetal. This is the reaction. What happens here? Aldehyde. That is RCH2. This is a representation of the aldehyde. This reacts with the that is alcohol, monohydric alcohol in the presence of dry HCl gas. It's going to be used that amiacetal. It's going to be used that amiacetal. That is RCHOH this we call as a amiacetal. It is going to be formed, that is amiacetal. This is unstable. Thus, what this product is? Amiacetal is unstable. Therefore, again it reacts with the monohydric alcohol. Then it is going to be formed that is acetal. It's going to be formed that acetal. That is RCHOR'. This about the acetal. Means with the addition of alcohols, the aldehydes reacts with the alcohol. It's going to be formed a hemiacetal. It is unstable, therefore it again reacts with the another molecule of monohydric alcohol. It is going to be formed a acetal. Like that only. The ketones does not react with the monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol jothe ketones react agalla. Then it is going to be reacts with the ketone can react with that is the dihydric alcohol. That is the dihydric alcohol. When it comes to the dihydric alcohol, here in the example ethylene glycol, that is a ketone. It can be written as RC double bond O. That is R. This is a ketone. This ketone is going to be reacts with that is a dihydric alcohol. Example is ethylene glycol. That is CH2OH. Then CH2OH. This is about the ethylene glycol. Then it's going to be formed a respective ketol. It's going to be formed a respective ketol is going to be formed. That is RC, then RO, CH2, O. That is the presence of HCl gas only, then it is going to be formed, that is ketol. It is going to form a ketol. If you need this also, you can write the H2. Means this about the reaction, that is addition reaction. Aldehydes undergo addition reaction with the alcohols. It is with the aldehydes, it is going to be form a acetal. With the ketones, it is going to be form a ketone. This is also important, sometimes asked with the examination. Okay, board exam there has to be this question also. Okay, it should be this is also important. You should be keep in mind. Then next we are going to be discussing about the condensation reactions with the ammonia and its derivatives. Condensation reactions with ammonia and derivatives. Condensation reactions with ammonia and its derivatives. It is condensation reactions with ammonia and its derivatives. When it comes to this, that is aldehydes or ketones reacts with the ammonia or its derivative, it's going to be gives the addition product. It's going to be gives the addition product. Yeah, general equation I am going to write, that is aldehydes you can be written as like this. Generally the aldehydes we are going to represent like this. Then either ammonia or the ammonia derivatives generally we can be represent like this. NH2, that is Z. Yeah, Z may be H or alkyl group or another derivatives group, substituents group. It is going to be, that is the elimination of the water. It is going to be takes place the elimination of the water. It is going to be used the respective addition product. The respective addition product we are going to be get. That is R C H double bond N Z. That is substituted product we are going to be get plus H2. Like that only will comes to the ketones. Ketones general represent ಇದು aldehydes. ಅದೇ ketones ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ R C double bond O R. Then NH2 Z. Yeah, the removal of the water. Removal of the water. We are going to be get that respective addition product. Respective addition product we are going to be get. This is about the general equation with the ammonia or its derivatives. Other particular ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. In that, first we are going to be discussing about the with ammonia. With ammonia jode yadara react agutte anta nodona. With ammonia, what is generally, that is we are going to be written aldehydes we are going to be written as RCHO. This we can get general representation of the aldehydes. It reacts with the ammonia. Ammonia means NH3, that we call as a ammonia. Yeah, instead of Z here H we are going to be written. That is we are going to be get that H2N H. Okay, yeah, the removal of the water. It's going to be form a imines. Is going to be formed, that is respective imines is going to be formed. That is R C H double bond N H double bond N H. This about the imine. Respective imine is going to be formed plus H2O. Like that only we will write for the ketones also. That is ketones can be written as R C double bond O R. Then NH2 H mole of the water. A mole of the water. It's going to be formed. That is respective imine is going to be formed. Respective imine is going to be formed. See, double bond NH plus H2 imine. Means here the aldehyde or ketones reacts with the ammonia. It's going to be formed the respective imines. It's going to be formed respective imines. That you should be keep in mind. There is also important reactions only. Whatever we are discussing in this class, all are important reactions only. In the previous years, asked these questions based on this topic. Okay. The next we are going to be discussing with the other ammonia derivatives. Next we will discuss about the with primary amine. That is next we are going to be discussing about the B. The A with amines we have discussed. Now with primary amine. With primary amine. Primary amine we are going to represent like this. That is RNH2. This is about the representation of the primary amine. Here the aldehydes ketones reacts with the primary amine. It is going to be formed a respective substituted, that is imines. It's going to be formed a it's going to be formed a substituted, that is imines. These product also be called as a Skips base correctly. Then here we'll see the equation, that is the aldehyde reacts with the primary amine. It is going to be formed, that is the removal of water, that is H2O, removal of the H2O. Then it's going to be formed that, see, double bond NR. This will be called as a substituted imine. Plus H2. Like this only for the ketones. The ketone, here, this is a ketone, reacts with the primary amine. It's going to be formed that respective substituted imines is going to be formed. It's going to be formed the respective substituted imine. This we also called as a, these are also called as a Skips base, that we call as a Skips base. So the products, whatever these products also called as a Skips base in the country. This about the with primary amine. With hydroxyl amine. Next we will discuss about the C with hydroxyl amine. Here with the hydroxyl amine, what happens? The aldehydes or ketones reacts with the, that is hydroxyl amine, is going to be form a respective oxime. It's going to be form a respective oxime. Here, suppose it reacts with the aldehyde, it's going to be formed that is aldoxime. It's going to be reacts with the ketone, it's going to be formed a ketoxime. Means if the aldehyde reacts with the hydroxyl amine, it's going to be formed that is aldoxime. If the ketones reacts with the hydroxyl amine, it's going to be formed that is ketoxime. We'll see that now equations. When it comes to the equations, the aldehyde, this is about the aldehyde. You can write here if you need. Aldehyde reacts with hydroxyl amine. hydroxylamine. That is NH2OH. This is about the hydroxylamine. If you want to write the name also, that is hydroxylamine. It's going to be formed, that is a removal of this H2O. We are going to be get that aldoxide. That is R C H double bond N O H plus H2 means the name of this is, that is aldoxide. The name of this is aldoxide. Like that only we will discuss for the ketones. That is R C double bond R plus, that is NH2OH. That is removal of the water. It's going to be formed, that is ketoxide. The name of this product is ketoxide. Like this, it's going to be, means here with the primary amine we are going to be get the substituted amines, we are going to be get that also be called as Gibbs bases. Then with the hydroxylamine, the aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydroxylamine. It's going to be form a respective, either it reacts with the aldehyde means we are going to be get that aldoxide. It reacts with the ketone means it's going to be formed, that is ketoxide. The next other substituted ammonia we are going to be discussing. With hydrogen, next we will discuss about the reason with hydrogen. When it comes to the with hydrogen, here the aldehydes reacts with the hydrogen. Is going to be forming, that is aldehyde hydrogen. It's going to be forming aldehyde hydrogen. We'll discuss first. That is the hydrogen means the formula is NH2. This we call as a hydrogen. Yeah, the aldehydes, that is RC11OH. This we call as a aldehyde. Aldehyde reacts with the hydrogen. That is you can write like this also, NH2 gives rise to, that is the removal of the water, that is H2O. It's going to be forming respective hydrogen. That is double bond NH. This about the, we call it as the aldehyde hydrogen. The name of this one is hydrogen. This we call as a aldehyde. Like that only for the ketones. The ketones reacts with the hydrogen. That is the hydrogen. It's going to be formed, that is ketone hydrogen. It is going to be formed a ketone hydrogen. That we can be written as RC11OR plus NH2. Then the removal of the water molecule, then it's going to be formed, that is RCR double bond NH2. This we call as a ketone hydrogen. This is about the ketone. Then hydrogen. You should keep in mind here the aldehydes reacts with the hydrazine, it's going to be formed, that is aldehyde hydrazine. If the ketone reacts with the hydrazine, it is going to be formed, that is ketone hydrazine. This is about the with ammonia condensation reaction with ammonia and its derivative. Some other derivatives is there with the phenyl, that is hydrazine. Then also 2,4-DNP will discuss in the next class.